Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets, and first we draw A in use blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use blue color and draw C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use blue color and draw F for fish, F for fan, G for goat, G for glass. Kids, now draw H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and use yellow color. Kids, now draw I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, again use yellow color and draw J for joker, J for jackfruit, K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now O for orange, O for octopus, and use red color. P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quill, R for rose, R for rice, S for sun, S for snack, T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now U for umbrella, U for uncle. The alphabets of U, and use black color. V for van, V for vanilla, W for wallet, W for watch, X for x-ray, X for telephone, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.